ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣé ti rí ibi tí Rẹ̀mí Sùrùtù ti ń ṣépè fún Bukkyharam? Ṣé tún ti rí ẹ wò ó, eléyìí tá a sọ pé Bukky ń yọ oúnjẹ òkú ó dàbí òkú tó ń bá mu is as a result of èpè ti pọ̀ jù, èpè ló ń pa á lọ yìí, èpè ti pọ̀ jù. Bukky, come here, súnmọ́ bí jẹ́ n kọ́kọ́ bá ẹ sọ ọ̀rọ̀ kan. Number one, first thing first, everybody has a right to vote for anybody tó bá wù wọ́n. That is a right of everybody. You cannot attack somebody because they are exercising their right to vote. Ìwọ lè ní candidate tiẹ̀ o, òun lè ní candidate tiẹ̀. Nǹkan tó bá ti lè fi dífá fún wọn kó believe nínú candidate tiẹ̀ náà ló dífá fẹ́ni yẹn náà láti believe nínú candidate tiẹ̀. Just like Christianity and Islam àbí traditionalist, nǹkan tó bá wù anybody ní kó ṣe, eléyìí tó bá pay anybody ní kó ṣe. They have reasons for following city boy movement. Ó lè má yé wọ àwọn ló yé. However, gbogbo nǹkan tí APC ń ṣe kò sí anybody tó tẹ́ lọ́rùn. However, but it's their choice. It's their God-given right to pick whoever they want. You can't sit on social media. No, number one, you are not in the same country with these people, first to begin with. Ekodun ma bonli. If you know you can see everything you are talking on social media, why don't you stay in Nigeria and vote and use your voice? Sure, to understand, is it? Because it's easy to crucify all these celebrities when we are not in Nigeria. It's easy. Why don't you go to Nigeria and see everything that you are seeing now? Why don't you go? Elegushi lásán ló bú tó ò lè lọ Naija mọ́. Elegushi nìyẹn o. Elegushi lásán ló bú ọba nìyẹn o. Tẹ́rù ń bá ẹ àti lọ Naija. Now imagine openly talking about celebrities and politicians and you have a strong opinion. Why don't you go to Nigeria? A kì í gbénu légbúrò ta náà. Tó wá pé ẹ̀ lámúra máròde, ṣé wọ́n sọ pé kó má múra kó má lọ Naija ni? Ṣé inú ilé yẹn ló fẹ́ kú sí ni? Yes, you have a strong opinion. You have an bẹ́ẹ̀ni, but kì í ṣe outside Nigeria ló ti máa dúnkokò mọ́ anybody. Yes, Naija ò dá, ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ fílẹ̀ kẹ́ fèsì ìlú tẹ́ wà, ṣé ìlú tẹ́ wà ò tún dáa náà ni? You people, I have never seen the cowardness of Nigerians before, except the people on social media. When it comes to the country they saw a lot of things going wrong in the United Kingdom. They cannot talk about it. But Naija lè máa ná ẹnu sí. And tó bá mọ̀ kó fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ Naija, be inside Nigeria so you will be able to face the consequence. Ẹ wo kí ló ń porúkọ bọ̀bọ́ ẹ̀, Funny Thinker àti Sunday Igboho. Bí Funny Thinker ṣe ń yọ ẹnu sí Sunday Igboho, ìgbà tó máa dá sẹ́ríà fún kí náà sọ. Ilé tó ń gbé wọ́n lè àwọn tó tẹ̀ àwọn ló wọ́kọ́ lè jáde. Ó wá ń sọ fún gbogbo Nigeria, right now, it happened all of a sudden. When you talk, you should be able to face the consequence. You should be ready to face the consequence. That is it. As ugly as it is, that is it. There's nothing you can do about it. There's nothing anybody can do about it. If you know you don't want to be running kitty kata kata, then shut up your mouth. When you talk to someone, èèyàn tó lọ yọnu sí yẹn, number one, ó mọ̀ pé ó ní follower. Number two, ó mọ̀ pé ó lẹ́nu ń bẹ̀. Ìwọ ò dẹ̀ ní nǹkan kan. You should have just shut up your mouth. They said there is freedom of speech. Freedom after speech is not guaranteed. Kó jẹ́ ìlú òyìnbó gan, they go carry you. Torí ẹ̀ mo ṣe sọ fún yín pé àwọn activist, dead body activist, kí ló dé tó jẹ́ pé ìlú tó wà, wọn kì í sọ̀rọ̀ ìlú tó wà. Kò sí gbogbo ìlú tó wà 100% okay now. Kò sí government tí ó corrupt now. Kí ló dé tí wọn ò tọ́ kámẹ́rà kan máa sọ̀rọ̀ UK nìyẹn. daylight robbery every time. Come and sọ̀rọ̀ ìlú tán wà, but they will not talk. In as much you guys have an opinion about people in Nigeria, like everything is worse, everything is bad, there's an opinion about where you live as well. Hypocrisy náà pé yẹn. If you cannot talk about United Kingdom, why are you talking about Nigeria? Tó bá dẹ̀ dé Naija lénìí, ó máa pa lọ́lọ́ ni. Ó máa pa lọ́lọ́ ni. It's still hypocrisy. Maybe when tó bá dé Nigeria wàá máa sọ̀rọ̀ UK, tó bá dé UK ló máa sọ̀rọ̀ Naija. So leave people that are in Nigeria to face the consequence. Kì í ṣáà ń ṣe wọ́n ló ń face the consequence. And nǹkan tí màá fi ṣọ̀kẹ́ ni pé Èkó dùn máa bọ̀ ń lé Bukkyharam. Èkó dùn máa bọ̀. You know, Nigeria, àwọn Nigeria celebrity wọn dà. Ìwọ máa lọ ná. Ìwọ go ná. Kọ́kọ́ débẹ̀ náà. Gbogbo nǹkan tó fẹ́ sọ yẹn, they will now listen. Because ìgbà tó mú Rẹ̀mí Sùrùtù, bóyá òun ló ba tiẹ̀ jẹ́ ni. Ìwọ tó pè ṣì ń jà tẹ́lẹ̀. Bóyá ìpè ló ń já ẹ̀ tó fi ń rí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Wọ́n tún ti ń ké pè mí pé fún ẹ. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń ṣe bíi pé kínní. Did you make it in Nigeria? If you ever make it in Nigeria, you will never leave Nigeria. That is it. If you've ever make it in Nigeria, you will never leave Nigeria. It's always the, I want to go and hustle ni now. Ṣebí nǹkan tó gbé wa dé lóyìnbó ni. No be I want to hustle. Ṣebí hustling ló gbé everybody dé lóyìnbó. So what are you talking about? Even in developed country, you still no make am. Because if you still make am in developed country, you will not be doing live video. You will not be on fracas. Ṣé rí àwọn nǹkan kan wà tó jẹ́ pé am I the only one that sees it? You will not be doing fracas. Fracas ló fi ń jẹ òṣèlú oníṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́. You no make it in Naija. You no make it outside Naija. Àwọn Nollywood wọ́n mọ nǹkan tí àwọn ọmọ gáràjì ti ṣe nínú ayé wọn. Wọ́n dẹ̀ mọ nǹkan tí Tinubu ti ṣe nínú ayé wọn. So you cannot blame them. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí dàbí ọmọ ìyá ẹ̀ ni. Gbogbo ìgbà tó ń ṣe fíìmù ta ló ń gbówó lẹ̀. If you want to be frank. Àwọn MC wọ́n ti domi síwájú fún wọn. So dandan ni kó tẹ̀lẹ̀ tútù. It's called, Shuri, it's not even loyalty at this point. It's not even being threatened. Àwọn tí máa sọ pé òkè o, wọn ò ní nǹkan kan ṣe pẹ̀lú city boy movement, but still they still went there ní àwọn òbí Kùbàdàn. But ṣe rí àwọn Nollywood, ó ti pẹ́ táwọn APC Tinubu boys tó ti ń support wọn ní Nollywood. Tó bá fẹ́ ṣe fíìmù wọn ní lówó, àwọn yẹn ló máa gbówó lẹ̀. Tó bá fẹ́ lo location, sẹ́wọ̀n káwọn ọmọ ọ̀tá máa disturb wọn, àwọn MC máa pe gbogbo wọn ni, wọn ò ní jẹ́ kó disturb wọn, wá jẹ́ kó ṣe fíìmù wọn. So ó ti pẹ́ tójú òtijọ́ ń pa wọ́n bọ̀. So to them, they feel like it's the right thing to do. This is the time they need their help. You cannot bully them for their choices. Ṣé okay, mélòó ni gbogbo Nollywood compared to the populations of Nigeria? It takes Nigerians to say they don't want APC. It's not even the politician, it's not even the celebrity. Tó máa kó gbogbo wọn jọ, mélòó ni proportion wọn nínú Nigerian population? Nigeria will just wail. At the end of the day, gbogbo àwọn tó ń kígbe APC náà ṣe máa lọ dìbò fún. That's it. Gbogbo àwọn tó ń kígbe, they will still go back to APC láti lọ dìbò. That is just it. You are focusing more on the wrong person. You think bullying celebrity is going to make a difference? If you know the mind of the people itself is not the celebrity. It's the people. Even if you ṣe jẹ́ léyìí lọ nígbà tí first time, nígbà tí Tinubu fẹ́ wọlé for the first time, ṣe jẹ́ léyìí lọ. ṣé Obi ò campaign every social media platform gbogbo àwọn Cameroonian tó wà bí àwọn kíní tó wà bí Uganda gbogbo wọn ló ń sọ fún wa pé it's Obi that will win the whole world love Obi mo kàn wọ́n wọ̀ báyìí pé Obi cannot win. Obi is not in their circle. Emotion lẹ fi ń pe politics. Politics is a dirty game. Obi is not in their circle. How can Obi win? Obi lè jẹ́ president social media, but kò níwájú Jagaban. Do you know who Jagaban is? And nínú constitution 2 terms ni kò lè change. Kì í ṣe pé kíní. Ó máa ṣe first time, ó máa ṣe second term. Nínú constitution, presidential constitution, ó gbọ́dọ̀ lò 2 terms. Àfi tí president yẹn bá kú, vice president Shettima yẹn náà ló máa continue. Àti rí ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ rí, kì í ṣe pé kíní. Even kẹ́ gbé Obi lórí jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. In fact, níbi tó tẹ̀ tó yé mi dé, kẹ́ dìbò fún Obi ò tí ì ní wọlé. Ibi tó jẹ́ pé òun kígbe celebrity, ṣèbó opinion làwọn yẹn ní. INEC wọ́n ti rig ẹ̀. Voters card is rig. Kí lẹ fi ń vote yẹn náà? PVC is rig. Wọ́n ní òtí ẹ̀ tún ní ìdí ẹ̀ mọ́ sí. Gbogbo governor state wọ́n ti decamp lọ sí APC. 26 out of 33. Gbogbo ibi is settled. Àwọn Hausa ló ń control election of Nigeria. So ṣóbi ti dọ́dọ̀ wọn. Àbí ẹ̀rọ pé Hausa ṣì ready láti jẹ́ kọ́mọ Igbo jẹ́ president wọn. These are the known facts. Ṣorí gbogbo even àwọn celebrity tẹ fẹ́ para yín lórí kò sí nǹkan kan tó lè ṣe. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, kí gbogbo wọn lọ sẹ́yìn Obi ò tí ì ní win. That is it. You are playing in an unfair game. You are playing fair in an unfair game. Bukkyharam máa forí ẹ gbèpè. Èpè ló ń já ẹ tó fi ń kú lọ báyìí tó dàbí. Mo tún rí kọ́mẹ̀ntì kan tó sọ pé òkú Mohbad tó ti lọ ọdún 3 ó fresh ju ìwọ tó wà láyé lọ. Just imagine. Ẹni yẹn sọ pé mọ́tò máa jáàmù ẹ. Ẹni yẹn wọ́n tún fògùn búra pé ọkọ̀ ò tí ì pa ẹ́ ló ti dàdàkudà sílé ayé tọkọ̀ bá wá rún ẹ jégéjégé ńkọ́. Ó jẹ́ má forí ẹ gbèpè kó o fẹ́ fún ju bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ kó o ṣe wèrè ju bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ Tinubu ló sì máa wọlé and it's not even Rẹ̀mí Sùrùtù. Okay, Rẹ̀mí Sùrùtù ṣé Rẹ̀mí Sùrùtù nìkan ló fẹ́ gbé Tinubu wọlé ni? Ṣó tẹ̀lé gbé rẹ̀ táwọn sọ pé fẹ́ gbé Tinubu ni? Òun ni mò ń sọ fún yín ẹ̀yin sọ pé torí ìjẹkújẹ yàtọ̀ sí pé wọ́n fún àwọn celebrity ní envelope àwọn Nigerians tó ń pín palliative nǹkan ṣé wọn ò lọ gbà á ni? Ṣé Bukky ló fẹ́ change course Bukky tí ó lè change ilé ayé ọmọ ẹ̀ tó ń ṣẹ̀wọ̀n òun ló fẹ́ change course political kíní? Bukky ló fẹ́ dún wájú tí Bukky bá rí Tinubu lẹ́nì ìyá ẹ̀ máa balẹ̀ ni bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ọ̀rọ̀ wo kẹ́kẹ́ máa pamọ́ ẹlẹ́nu ni kì í ṣe pé kíní kì í ṣe pé ká wà lórí social media ká máa pariwo tó bá rí Tinubu lẹ́nì ò ní lè sọ̀rọ̀ kí ló fẹ́ sọ ó mọ̀ nǹkan lásán tó ń bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ́rù ni Elégùṣì lásán ló máa ń bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ́rù tó lè dé Naija not to talk of Tinubu. Tẹ́ bá ti lè tan kámẹ́rà báyìí you will feel like you are better than anybody you are on top of the world you are a nobody Bukky. If you are somebody and you want to test running lọ sí Nigeria you have your right to vote go to Nigeria and go and vote. Ẹ má máa jókòó sí United ìjà ọ̀lẹ́ náà pé ẹ̀yin gan ẹwà coward ju àwọn celebrity lọ. Go to Nigeria and vote. This is your God-given right. No exercise the vote in Nigeria. If you want to make a change, it's not like Omar Rojo lórí social media now. Gbogbo àwa tá wà ní diaspora, ẹ jẹ́ àlọ́lé ká lọ vote. But you can't do that. Àwọn tó wà lé, àwọn lẹ́ ń gbógun tì. Ó ní mo sọ kí gbogbo celebrity yọra wọn kúrò. Tinubu sì máa wọlé. That is it. Ẹ jẹ́ n tún wá gbé yín débẹ̀. Ṣé kí gbé yín débẹ̀? Kí gbogbo Nàìjíríà máa vote fún Tinubu. Tinubu sì máa wọlé. This is you are playing fair and you are using your emotion. in an unfair game. The game is already rigged. From the top to the down to the moye tí Tinubu sọ fún wọn lókè man, is raining in millions of dollars. Millions of naira. That is approximately billions of naira. They can't change it. And it's in their cycle. No be Nigerians. Wọn ò pín palliative lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta, ṣé wọn ò gbà ni? Ṣé má parẹ́? Ó ní mo sọ come 2027. Ẹ má tiẹ̀ rí pé òbí gan-an tí ẹ̀ já ń pátá lọ títí. The effort to be put in the first time, ṣó fi sí second time, toró mọ̀ kó wà ní ibi tí mo ti mọ̀ pé the game is finished ní ojú òbí. Òbí is more focused on wọ́n dẹ̀ ti mọ̀ pé ibi tó fẹ́ gbà wọlé ni. These people already know the game before you. Wọ́n ti mọ̀ pé ibi tó bí fẹ́ gbà wọlé nìyẹn. Òbí is more focused on kóun win. Wọ́n wá deploy àwọn ọmọ Igbo láti ìlú wọn. Wọ́n kó wọn wá sẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Wọ́n kó wọn lọ sí Abuja. Abuja is filled with Igbo people. Torí inú constitution wọ́n ti sọ pé tó bá ti lè win nínú 2 dominant states, you are automatically the president. Obi won in Lagos, Obi won in Abuja. Lójú Obi báyìí náà ti ń change the constitution yẹn. Wípé however, tí vote the opponent in all the 36 states tó bá pọ̀ jù ẹ lọ níwọ̀ tó win ní 2 dominant, initially nǹkan tó wà nù kíní ni o. Wípé tó bá ti win 2 dominant states, you are automatically the president. Obi focus on that. Ó ti gbàgbé pé òyìnbó tó ṣe pencil ò ṣe eraser. Tinubu focus on all other states. That's why except some part of the east. The whole Yoruba state. The whole Hausa state. Obi only had the votes from Guinea, from some of Igbos. Yes, some. Ó lose nínú àwọn Igbo state kankan torí pé most of them APC ni wọ́n. Some of Igbos and some of some of Yorubas. Yorùbá àti Lagos and Abuja náà ni. Ojú ẹ̀ náà ti change the constitution yẹn. Tó ti sọ fún pé téèyàn tó the other opponent tó bá ti win in majority of the states, you are not the president. Wọ́n change the constitution lójú ẹ̀. Ibẹ̀ yẹn mo ti bẹ̀rù Nigeria. Money, so constitution that has been there for years, thousands and thousands of years, can be changed. Can be changed just like that. But you people will not understand. Mama emotion bo. Ká ṣe show ju bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. It cannot change the course. Hausa ló ń control Nigeria. Bukky, you should. People sọ pé some people are yóò kàwé. Emotion, you will just hurt yourself. And stop causing all this celebrity. In as much you left Nigeria, you are still the same thing with them. Yes, you left Nigeria. They could have chosen to leave now. Our banking W's in Nigeria, Mona. They could have chosen to leave. You left Nigeria. In as much, Totifi Nigeria, you are the same as this person, because if you want to do Nigeria, Emma Wambeni. So you are even worse than them. So you cannot have any opinion about them. No, you ran away. You choose the easy way out. They didn't. So they have the choice to do whatever they want. If you know that you or valid, go to Nigeria and vote. As simple as that. But you want to be outside Nigeria and be controlling everything inside Nigeria. Go possible. It's never done in anywhere. But when you saw Sunday Igboho, Sunday Igboho himself, ìgbà tí problem dé, ta ló yọ? Ríbi tó ti lọ wá bundle Sunday Igboho ni. Lórí agreement ní Tinubu fi yọ Sunday Igboho. Lórí agreement pé òun ló máa ṣiṣẹ́ fún. Èèyàn mélòó nu yín ló dìde? Ṣé ẹ̀rọ pé ká máa ṣe show ni? There's so many things happening. The bá ti kọ́ ti camera happening in real time, in real life, You don't know that. Who do you think Sunday Igboho will be loyal to? Ṣé gbogbo masses tó ń Igboho ṣé gbogbo yín jáde ní ìgbà tán tì mọ́ bí tán tì mọ́? Ẹ mọ bó ṣe bọ́ńdù ẹ̀ ní bí international criminal. Sunday Igboho's fate will have been treason on. It will have been the same fate with Nnamdi Kanu tán tì mọ́lé if he did not comply. Àwọn Cubana chief priest yẹn mo máa ń sọ kíní kan fún yín. Tó bá fi ti Tinubu ṣe rí gbogbo business wọn lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ yẹn is gone. Yes, the club is gone. Wọ́n máa bà tiwọn jẹ́ ni. Not to talk of Celerity. Cubana chief priest is a billionaire. Dangote is a billionaire. Tó bá fi ti Tinubu ṣe, they are nothing. If they don't do with the government that is in that country, the government in that country, government tó wà lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ tó wà. Don't pretend as if any pé emotion la fi lè kò sí emotion. Half of Nigeria ti sá lọ. Àwọn tó wà nílé wọ́n fún okùn mọ́ wọn lọ́rùn. So how do you think that your own opinion is going to change anything? No. If you want a change, then go back home. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Àwọn tó wà nílé àwọn ló mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń fojú wí now. If this celebrity tell you one thing, tó o bá vote fún Tinubu tán lọ ń kọ́nà ẹ̀ ńkọ́? Tán lọ ń kọ́nà ẹ̀ mọ́ anyway. Tó fẹ́ ṣe release the film tó sọ pé anybody should not let you release your movie. Tó fẹ́ ṣe anything tó sọ pé nobody should help you. Pé tó bá help ẹ àwọn náà wọ́n máa cancel wọn ní jẹ́ kán gbé fíìmù síta mọ́. You don't know what they are going through. Ṣé ìwọ máa mọ̀ yẹn ni àbí ìwọ máa fún wọn lóúnjẹ? Ṣèbí tó bá tó wá tọrọ owó náà yìí náà lè máa bú wọn pé wọn ò lè ṣiṣẹ́. Ẹ mọ̀ nǹkan táwọn celebrity yẹn ẹ mọ̀ nǹkan tó close tán ẹ rò pé ẹ lè ìjọba náà máa ń pè ìjọba amúnimóògùn èpè ò lè jàjọba. Kọ́kọ́ náà àwọn celebrity yẹn mọ́bì kan kọ́ má jẹ́ kán release the film. Ṣé ìwọ ló fẹ́ wá dáwó fún wọn ni? Ẹ̀yin náà lè máa bú wọn pé wọn lè ṣiṣẹ́ wọn lè ṣe kinní kan. So they should live their life. Their life should be ṣe kinní kó bàjẹ́ torí pé they want to. Nigeria fúnra wọn gan the same Nigerians. Wọn ò gbóúnjẹ lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí. Ramadan wọ́n máa pín wọn lóúnjẹ. Ẹ rí nǹkan tó pín nígbà Ramadan. Wọ́n tún pe délẹ̀ Igbo gan. Ṣé Igbo tún ń ṣe Ramadan ni? Pẹ̀lú ojú Tinubu àti gbogbo ẹ̀ báyìí. Gbogbo wọn ló ń gbà. Àwọn ọmọ Igbo tó jẹ́ ọmọ Òbí tó jẹ́ family Òbí. Àwọn kọ́ ló ń gba palliative tó ń gba ẹjọ́ àyàtọ̀ tó ń gbàdúrà fún Tinubu. Ẹ wo it is already rigged. Ẹ gbàgbé. Ẹ fà àwọn celebrity ẹ má fi ìkanra mọ́ celebrity. Ẹ má fi ìkanra mọ́ celebrity. Nǹkan tó ti dí fáfẹ́yìn náà ti sá lọ. Tẹ̀tí lọ sílùú mi. Àwọn tó dẹ̀ dúró nǹkan tó bá lè ṣe láti survive wọ́n máa ṣe. That is it. That is it. Ọ̀rọ̀ dùn sọ tó bá sí Naija. Bọ̀ ó yá Èkó dùn máa bọ̀ nílé. Bukky ọ̀rọ̀ tó fẹ́ sọ yẹn wá sọ ní Nàìjíríà. Ibẹ̀ náà ti máa mọ̀ pé ọmọ akíní ẹ̀ wò kì í ṣọmọ àlè. But in as much you cannot even say that ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń sọ yẹn wò lè sọ Naija. Shut up. You're not in the position to criticize the people in Nigeria. That is it. Nǹkan tèmi tiẹ̀ máa sọ fún ẹ ní pé mo ṣe wá mọ̀ pé èpè ló ń pa ẹ́ èpè ó ti forí gbèpè lọ́wọ́ Liam Wumi Ìyábọ̀ gbogbo àwọn èèyàn tó ti ṣépè fún ó ti forí gbèpè èpè ló ń jẹ́ kó máa dàbí òpó ayé rẹ̀yìn working cops má tún máa jẹ́ kó tún máa fún ẹ lépè sí torí ìwọ nìkan ló wà lórí social media tó dàbẹ̀ ní pé àìsàn tí ò gbóògùn tó ń ṣe ìwọ nìkan ni.